probably seen a video like this while scrolling through YouTube.
The teacher asks the class, "Who created the earth?" And little Timmy pokes Susan in the back with his sharpened pencil, and she jumps and says, "My God!"
Have you ever wondered how some channels are making thousands of dollars with these kinds of simple short videos? Just look at this channel. This channel is called Young Jokes, and they have started uploading just a few months ago. This channel has only 85 videos, and they have gained over 300,000 subscribers in just 2 months. That is unbelievable. And the best part is they're earning at least $16,000 every month just by re-uploading shorts. So why don't you people get your lazy ass up and start working? Start making some money. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how you can do the same, from creating a channel to earning money. Let's get started. First of all, you need to create a YouTube channel. I wanted to skip this creating a channel part, but for those who are absolutely new, you need 3 things to create a channel. Those are a name, a banner, and the logo. I hope 90% of the people who are watching this video already know how to create a channel, so let's just jump into step 2, and that is finding the videos. If you pay attention to this channel, you can see that they have used ASMR relaxing videos in the background. So to get such videos, we will head over to TikTok, because if you take someone's video from YouTube and upload it to your own channel, not only your monetization will get rejected for reused content, but also the video owner might give you copyright strikes. But if you download the video from TikTok and edit footage from other creators where you add a storyline or commentary, you will 100% get monetized. As the YouTube community guideline says it is. Now let's find some great content on TikTok. Open the TikTok app and search for relaxing ASMR videos. To maximize the engagement, look for videos that already have a lot of views and likes. Popular videos tend to attract more attention, so aim for those that are trending or already have a viral potential. Once you find a video you like, the next step is to download the video without watermark. To do that, copy the link of the video, then go to this website called ssstic.io. Paste your link here and simply download your video. Make sure to download the video in high resolution. The link of the site will be in the description. Now let's gather some interesting stories and quotes from Pinterest. For example, if you want a funny story, open Pinterest and search for funny jokes. This could be also inspirational quotes, success stories, or any engaging content. The choice is yours. Once you enter search, Pinterest will provide you hundreds of thousands of templates. For now, I chose this template. If you pay attention, there is a link at the bottom of this template. Click on this link and it will take you to a new tab where you can see the complete story. Now just copy the text from here. But there is a problem, like there are many templates where if you click on the link you can reach their site, but you can't copy any text from here. That means the owner has locked this site so that no one can copy their content from here. But you really like the story, and you want it badly. But who wants to sit for an hour and write a script for this 1-minute video? Don't worry, I have a solution for that. Press Windows and print screen together on your computer. Basically, it will take a screenshot of the current page. Then you just need to upload that screenshot to any image-to-text website, and you will get your desired text document from there. And there you have your script. Next, we need a voiceover for our video. Go to the 11 Labs website and sign up if you haven't already. 11 Labs generates incredibly realistic and natural-sounding voices, perfect for voiceovers. And the voice you hear now is also generated from 11 Labs. Doesn't it sound very natural? Can you tell the difference between a human voice and a robotic voice? Anyway, once you're logged into 11 Labs, create a new project and paste the script you saved from Pinterest. It will automatically convert your text into a voiceover. Now from below, you can choose from a variety of voice options. I prefer you to select Adam because Adam's voice is the most popular out there. Adjust the voice settings to match the tone you want for your video. Once you're satisfied, click Generate and download the voiceover file. Now it's time to put everything together in CapCut. Open CapCut and start a new project. Import the TikTok video you downloaded and the voiceover file from 11 Labs. First, you need to edit the voiceover. You see, after downloading the voiceover from 11 Labs, there are some gaps in the middle of this voiceover. Remember, gaps make us sound like hesitant English learners.
Decrease me there. What?
So just zoom in on the timeline and look for these empty spaces between words or phrases. Click on the voiceover track, hold the line and cut out the blanks. Smooth as butter, believe me. It will make your voiceover sound 100 times better. Make sure to mute the sound of your video layer. Now for the video editing, begin by trimming the TikTok video to the desired length. If it is too long, cut off the edges. And if it is too short to match your voiceover, try slowing down the video speed. After you're done adjusting the duration of the video and the voiceover, it is time to add captions to our video. Believe me or not, adding captions is the secret ingredient that elevates your videos from good to great. And nowadays, you will see all the content creators using such pop-up captions to hook their viewers till the end, which makes the video even more engaging. This may be the reason CapCut is becoming more and more popular than other video editing softwares, because it has this cool feature called auto captions. Just click on auto captions and CapCut will automatically generate captions for you. But we're not done yet. Let's make those captions shine. Customize the font style, size, and color to match your video's vibe. Then click on this glow effect to make your bloom even more. Another small thing you need to do is put a watermark on your video. Here I normally add a text template and type in my channel's name. After that, I make its size small, put it on top, and make the text opacity 25% so it's lightly visible. This is how you brand your video. Now, if someone else downloads your video and uploads it directly to YouTube, viewers will know that you are the original creator. Ha ha ha! Beating my own drum, how's that for a plan? Now it is time to give a final touch to our video, and that is adding a filter called Clear White. Believe me, it will make your video more colorful and eye-catchy. Now let's export our final project. But wait, you may question, host, are you planning to upload a video without a background music? And my answer is, if you observe carefully, you will see that every short video sharing platforms, including YouTube, pushes and advances the videos that have a trending background music in it. But unfortunately, YouTube doesn't have this feature to use on our PCs or laptops. But don't worry, I got you covered. So for now, let's just render the video without the background music. Then we just have to transfer the video onto a mobile device. And Viola, now you can add hundreds of thousands of trending music to your video. Now let's take a final look at what we've created thus far.
A blind man walks into a restaurant and sits down. The waiter, who is also the owner, walks up to the blind man and hands him a menu. "I'm sorry, sir, but I am blind and can't read the menu. Just bring me a dirty fork from a previous customer, I'll smell it and order from there." Unbelievable, the owner thinks as he walks towards the kitchen. Walking away in disbelief, the owner thinks the blind man is screwing around with him and tells his wife that the next time the blind man comes in, he's going to test him. He returns the following week, but this time the owner sees him coming and runs to the kitchen. He tells his wife, "Mary, rub this fork on your panties before I take it to the blind man." Mary complies and hands her husband the fork. As the blind man walks in and sits down, the owner is ready and waiting. "Good afternoon, sir. This time I remembered you and I already have the fork ready for you." The blind man puts the fork to his nose, takes a deep whiff, and says, "Hey, I didn't know that Mary worked here."
Wow, it is fantastic. Now what? Just give it a nice title and description for your video, and simply click upload. Do this for straight 30 days, and the results will shock you. And at last, I would say hit that subscribe button, because it's the first step to making money without leaving your pajamas.